Hello and good morning, everyone. So, today is the second trading session of this week. So, let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Titan because company reported the quarter 4 update where the company's standalone business registered at a growth of 25% on a yearly basis. Titan's consolidated retail network grew by 72 stores in quarter 4, reached the number of 3,312 stores. Jewellery business is up by 24% on a yearly basis on back of significant increase in gold prices, whereas watch and wearables business is up by 20%, EyeCare clocked growth of 18%, and emerging businesses fragrances business clocked a growth of 26% on a yearly basis, and Caratlane grew 22% Y&Y basis driven by healthy growth in the studded portfolio. The next stock is Mahindra and Mahindra because company reported the March numbers update. March total production is at 88,701 unit versus 71,814 units on a yearly basis. March sales are reported at 79,751 units. Exports are reported at 4,143 units, and company incorporates wholly owned subsidiary Mahindra Advanced Technology in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The next stock is Bharat Electronics because company backs 2,210 crore order for electronic warfare suit for the Indian Air Force from Defence of Ministry. BIL also signed a contract of 2,385 crore for Indian Air Force from Defence Ministry for EW suites and modification kits for Mi-17 V5 helicopter. With this, company's accumulated order totaling 2,803 crores in the current financial year. The next stock is KPI Green because company terminates 66.20 megawatt hybrid power project order from the Sai Bandhan in FEM. Also terminate the order due to the change in project technical requirement post receipt or order. The next stock are OMCs because you have to keep radar on OMCs because there is a steep fall in global crude prices and the fresh hike in the export duties rattled investors' sentiment. Recently, government increased excise duty on petrol and diesel by rupees 2 per litre. The next stock is Titagal Rail System because company reappointed of Nayantara Krishna Kumar Jalan and SK Rungta as a non-executive independent directors for another 5 years. Also reappointed Umesh Chaudhary as vice chairman and managing director for the company for next 5 years. The next stock is Brigade Enterprises because company signed agreement for residential project in Mysuru. The project span 10 acres, 0.37 million square feet development, value sets at 225 crores with plot and apartments, and marks expansion in Mysuru with strategic location. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.